Earlier today, Michael Avenatti, a nationally known lawyer, was arrested in New York City on two separate federal cases, one out of this district and one out of New York. Information on the New York case will be provided by the U.S. Attorney in Manhattan. I will discuss the California case now. The case was filed in Santa Ana on Friday and was unsealed today. The case is the result of 2 years of tax collection and investigative efforts by the IRS. The federal criminal complaint charges Mr. Avenatti with wire fraud and bank fraud and contains a series of allegations that paint an ugly picture of lawless conduct and greed. On his Twitter account, Mr. Avenatti describes himself as, quote, attorney, advocate, fighter for good, unquote. But the allegations in this case describe something different. A corrupt lawyer who instead fights for his own selfish interests by misappropriating close to $1 million that rightfully belonged to one of his clients. The complaint also alleges that Mr. Avenatti obtained bank loans worth millions of dollars through fraud by submitting phony personal income tax returns and other false information to the lending bank. According to the complaint, the tax returns were clearly false because Mr. Avenatti never filed federal income tax returns for the years in question and never paid the federal income tax as reflected on those false returns. Lawyers have a sworn duty to obey the law and to protect their clients. Our system of justice depends on it. Mr. Avenatti has breached that duty and violated the principles of honesty and fairness that he claims to uphold. If convicted of these crimes, Mr. Avenatti faces a statutory maximum of 50 years in federal prison.